Question is given 8 power x plus 2 power x is equal to 30. So we have to find out the value of x here. How we can find out the value of x? Let's see solution. Eight power x plus 2 power x is equal to 30. This is given, right? So 8 power x, we can do here one thing. If we are taking cube of 2 power 3. 2 power 3, 8, right? So 2 power 3 power x plus 2 power x is equal to 30. Now we can write this 2 power x power 3, 2 power x power 3 plus 2 power x is equal to 30, right? So here 2 power x, 2 power x. So we can consider, let's consider 2 power x is equal to a. So it will become easy to solve. A power 3 plus a is equal to 30. So we can write here a power 3 plus a minus 30 is equal to 0. Now a power 3 plus a. Now minus 30 we can write 27 plus 3. 27 plus 3, 30. So minus 30 is equal to 0. Now a power 3 plus a. We are opening bracket here. So minus 27 and minus 3 is equal to 0. Now a power 3 minus 27 plus a minus 3 is equal to 0. Now a power 3 minus 27. So 27 we can write 3 power 3. 3 power 3 plus a minus 3 is equal to 0. Now this is the form of a cube minus b cube, right? Plus a minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we know the formula of a cube minus b cube. So we are using formula of a cube minus b cube here. So a minus 3 times a square plus 3a plus 9 plus a minus 3, this one is equal to 0, right? Now a minus 3, so we can take common a minus 3. Now left term, that is a square plus 3a plus 9 plus a minus 3, already we are taken common here, so plus 1 is equal to 0. Now a minus 3 a square plus 3a, 9 plus 1, 10 is equal to 0. Now we got here two equations, a minus 3 equal to 0 and a square plus 3a plus 10 is equal to 0. Now a minus 3 times a square plus 3a plus 10 is equal to 0. So here two equations, first one is a minus 3 equal to 0. So we are taking first equation, a minus 3 is equal to 0, right? So a minus 3 equal to 0, therefore we can say a is equal to 3. So this is the first value of a here. Now in next term, that is a square plus 3a plus 10 is equal to 0, right? So we can do here one thing. We know the formula, b square minus 4ac is equal to, now b square, value of b here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 10, right? So b square, that is 3 square. So 3 square minus 4 times a, that is 1, times c, 10 is equal to 3 square, that is 9 minus 10 times 4, that is 40, right? 9 minus 40. So here we will get 9 minus 40, that is minus 31. Now value is minus 31. So it is less than 0, right? So less than 0, therefore this is negative value. So this is rejected. Now we have only one value, that is a equal to 3. This is positive. A equal to 3. We already considered that a equal to square root a equal to 2 power x, right? A equal to 2 power x. So therefore we can say here 2 power x is equal to 3, right? According to this, 2 power x is equal to 3. So taking log, because we have to find out the value of x, therefore taking log both sides, we will get here log of 2 power x is equal to log of 3. Now log of 2 power x, so we know the formula log of a power b. If log of a power b given, so value of log of a power b is equal to b log of a, right? So using this formula here we will get x log of 2 is equal to log of 3. Now therefore we can say x is equal to, or we can divide both sides, divide both sides by log 2, then we will get x log of 2 divided by log of 2 is equal to log of 3 divided by log of 2. So log of 2 it will cancel here, therefore x is equal to log of 3 to the base 2. This is the value of x. Now when we are calculating value of log of 3 to the base 2, then we will get approximately 1.585. So this is the value of x in this equation. X is equal to approximately 1.585, or x is equal to log of 3 to the base 2. Thank you.